Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we delve into the art of creating natural walkways, a design element that seamlessly blends functionality with the inherent beauty of the outdoors. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A well-designed walkway not only provides a practical pathway through your landscape, but also enhances the overall aesthetic, creating a sense of arrival and guiding the eye through your garden. Let's begin by defining what we mean by a natural walkway. A natural walkway design emphasizes the use of materials found in nature, such as stone, gravel, wood, and even plants, to create a pathway that harmonizes with its surroundings. It's about creating a sense of organic flow and integrating the walkway seamlessly into the existing landscape. This approach often involves incorporating elements like winding paths, varying textures, and the integration of surrounding vegetation to create a truly immersive experience. It's about respecting the natural contours of the land and creating a pathway that feels as though it has always been there. Now, why should you consider a natural walkway design? The benefits are numerous. First and foremost, they offer an undeniable aesthetic appeal. The use of natural materials creates a visually appealing and inviting space that complements the surrounding landscape. Furthermore, natural walkways are often more environmentally friendly than those constructed with manufactured materials. They can be permeable, allowing rainwater to filter back into the ground, and they often require less energy to produce and transport. They also promote a sense of tranquility and connection with nature, turning a simple walk through your garden into a restorative experience. Finally, they offer design flexibility, allowing for creative expression and customization to fit your specific landscape and aesthetic preferences. The decoration of your natural walkway is crucial to its overall impact. Consider the surrounding landscape and choose elements that complement the existing style. Incorporating bordering plants, such as low-growing ground covers, flowering perennials, or ornamental grasses, can soften the edges of the walkway and create a sense of integration with the surrounding garden beds. Consider adding subtle lighting to enhance the walkway's beauty and safety during the evening hours. Carefully chosen garden ornaments, such as sculptures, bird baths, or strategically placed rocks, can add visual interest and personality. Remember, the goal is to enhance the natural beauty of the walkway, not to overpower it with excessive ornamentation. Material selection is paramount in creating a successful natural walkway. Several options offer both durability and aesthetic appeal. Natural stone, such as flagstone, slate, or granite, provides a timeless and elegant look. Gravel is a cost-effective and versatile option, offering excellent drainage. Wood, in the form of planks or wood chips, creates a warm and inviting feel, though it requires more maintenance. Consider using a combination of materials to create visual interest and textural contrast. For example, a flagstone pathway bordered by gravel can create a sophisticated and natural look. And to complete your inspiration and spark your imagination, here these the compilation of the top 10 best natural walkway design ideas for your next project. 1. Flagstone path with ground cover. Irregular flagstones interspersed with creeping thyme or other ground covers create a charming and natural look. 2. Gravel pathway with stone edging. A gravel path contained by stone edging offers a clean and defined look while maintaining a natural feel. 3. Wood chip path through woodland garden. A simple wood chip path blends seamlessly into a woodland setting, creating a soft and natural walkway. 4. Stepping stone path through a meadow. Large, flat stones placed amidst tall grasses or wildflowers create a whimsical and natural pathway. 5. Dry-laid stone path with varying sizes. Using stones of different sizes and shapes creates a textured and visually interesting pathway. 6. Brick and stone combination. Combining brick and stone offers a classic and elegant look while still maintaining a natural feel. 7. Path with integrated planting pockets. Creating small pockets within the walkway for planting adds a touch of greenery and softens the hardscape. 8. Raised wooden walkway over wetland area. A raised wooden walkway allows for passage through wet or boggy areas while protecting the delicate ecosystem. 9. Path with natural stone steps. Incorporating natural stone steps into a sloped area creates a functional and visually appealing transition. 10. Path with water feature integration. Integrating a small stream or water feature alongside the pathway enhances the natural ambience and creates a serene atmosphere. Creating a natural walkway is an investment in the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. By carefully considering the materials, design, and decoration, you can create a pathway that not only serves its purpose but also enhances the overall aesthetic of your landscape. Thank you for joining us today on Homes Decor Designs. We hope this guide has inspired you to create your own stunning natural walkways. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite natural walkway ideas. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.